Respond anyone? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Okay, today I'm having a new AWS account. There I'm going to Mumbai location, Mumbai region. There I'm creating one EC2 instance. Click on instances running, their launch instance. Either we may go with Linux or maybe Ubuntu. Both are commonly used the same commands, 98% common commands. Maybe some areas, maybe small variance is there. Anyway, I'm taking Linux first. Maybe after 2 days, I will go with Ubuntu. Linux, here is the T2 micro free tier eligibility. Key pair, I'm giving Linux instance. There, create key pair. Now launch instance. Your instance is launched. Going to instances. There, I didn't give any name. Okay, I'm giving the name for this. It is Linux server. Click on top of ID. Going to connect it. Before going to connect, the good way is click on security. Here we are selecting security groups. What does it mean? Firewall. What is firewall? To prevent unauthorized access. Here I am providing full-fledged access. Edit inbound rules. I am giving add rule. That is all traffic. Here anywhere IP4. The save rules. In future, I won't get any problem from this security. I'm giving full access. After that, click on EC2 instances running. There I'm clicking on ID. Click on connect. There I'm taking that is ID URL. Windows key E, that from is downloaded within the downloads. You can check it. Linux instance. Those who are freshers, they are identifying. Private enhanced mailing. This is the private key. Wherever private key is there, there only you need to apply right click. Show more. Everybody know git bash. Everybody know git bash. Click on git bash. Yes, this is the git bash. For git purpose, we are using. Same thing. Right click, paste it, enter it. It will ask the confirmation. Yes, we are giving confirmation. It is connected. Once it is connected, I am maximizing. I'm increasing the font size. I'm clearing the screen. Control L is the shortcut. Till now, I think no doubt freshers, those who are very new, they are viewing, they are saying very first time, I think. Here I am giving sudo hyphen I, super user, super user do, super user do. Here dollar prompt is there. I may move to hash prompt. Whenever hash is there, that represent root user. Wherever hash is there, that represents root user. Whenever dollar is there, that is the general user or regular users. General user in the sense for Linux EC2 user, for Linux is EC2 user, for Ubuntu username is Ubuntu only. Here and there, here and there, the root user is nothing but root only. Root user is nothing but root only. Sudo hyphen I means interactive. I means interactive. Good. Now I connected to instance. I connected to instance. Yesterday also we applied some commands. Yesterday also we applied some commands. Even see, I'm going to touch. TOUCH touch. Here is file one. Yes, it will create TOUCH touch file of 2 to 9 closing curly brace. I am getting, I got created 2 to 9. Even check it. Yeah. See file 1 to file 1 to file 9. We got created. These are the empty files. These are the empty files. With all these things we know, I am trying to open. I am going to Linux where our WhatsApp. Within the WhatsApp, there our, where is that? Our group name is
New DevOps Jones.
New DevOps. New DevOps June. Actually, I sent everyone this, but I'm not having in my desktop. Somewhere I place, I don't know. I think everybody known this up to this. I think you practice or not. Every day you try to practice up to this, we know. Even today or tomorrow, I'll try to tell even permissions also, file permissions. Working with the directories. Now we'll try to see my working with the directories. Here there's some rm hyphen r, rm hyphen capital R. Now at the time of removing small r, capital R, both are same. Try to remember. At the time of removing, see interactive option hyphen I. Interactive option hyphen I. Working with files. See creation of files, viewing of files, copying of files, comparing of files, renaming of files, deleting files, creation of hidden files and directories, creation of link files, editing of files. This topic is very, the chapter is 100% important. Try to learn properly, even line by line. Don't leave any line in this. Here in Linux, we can create files in the following way by using touch command, by using cat command, by using editor like gedit, vi, nano, etc. Generally, everybody know vi. Vi means that view editor, that view editor. Here, check it, but they given cat already we know or not. I said somewhere, I said somewhere that I'm going to hear cat with greater than, cat with the double greater than. If anybody freshers know this, right, interact with me. What single greater than represents, what double greater than represents. Already I used it somewhere now. What single greater than represents, single greater than represents output,
Output redirection.
output redirection, redirection, with override, with override or overwrite. That is your wish. Override or overwrite. Here double greater than output redirection, output redirection, redirection with append, with append. We'll see now. We'll get the clarity. At the very first time, I'm using cat. File one is there, right? Cat file one. Cat single greater than file one. Here, your wish must space is there or not. That is not a problem. Cat file one. It is asking. Maybe I'm writing line one. Line one. Okay, good. Line one is there. Control D. Everybody know it. What file one contain now? What file one contain? I want to see cat with the file one. Wait, I can see the data. Yes, good. Again, up arrow, up arrow. I'm giving cat greater than file 1. Now line 2 I'm adding. Line 2. Again, control D. Here, what happens if I view the data? See, what happens here? Overwrite. Overwrite means erasing existing content and adding new one. Just like blackboard, chalk piece, duster. I'm writing on the blackboard. After completion of my task, what I'm doing? I'm erasing. Again, I'm doing new task. Again, I'm doing new task. One board, multiple times I'm writing. One file, that is overwriting means removing existing content and taking new one. Only fresh copy. Only fresh copy. This is good or bad? In real time, this is suitable for us or not? In GitHub, now what we are doing? Same file we are doing multiple times, modifying or not.
Yes, sir.
You need to track all the information. Who modified, who deleted, who updated, got it or not? Those things I want to get it. See, line 2 is there. Cat I am going double greater than file 1 once again. Double greater than what? Try to observe. File 1. Line 3. Control D. Now everybody know cat file 1, what happens? Line 2 is there, line 3 is there. Which is the better one? Cat with double greater than is the better one. Why? New data is adding to existing one. That's why we are calling append. Append means at the end we are adding content. At middle not, it won't accept. Only at the end only you can add. If you want to add at the middle, you go with sudo vi. What is the file name? File one. This is the VA editor. This is the VA editor. See, if you want to add it, click on insert I. There maybe line is added at middle. Now escape shift colon X. Now check it cat with the file. Is it clear for you? Is it clear for you? Any doubt up to this? See cat with file1.txt. They given something. Control plus D to save and exit. I hope you got the clarity. Cat with a double greater than file1.txt. See what it is saying. Extra content is adding. That means old as it is available, that new content is appended at the end. Again control D. Again control D. Now, what is the difference between touch and cat? See, touch for creating empty files, whereas cat for creating a file with some content. Is it understandable or any specialty is there? Touch is used for only empty files, but cat is for to creating a file and adding some content. You may ask me, sir, without adding content, can I create a command? See cat greater than welcome. My file name is welcome. Directly control D, CLL. There are not. There are not. File got created. Even cat welcome. File is there. But compared to cat greater than file name, which is very easy. Touch is very easy. Touch, touch welcome one. Like that. Even we can create empty file by using cat, by using touch. But generally, which files we created by using touch? By using touch, we can create empty files. Empty files. How can perform overwriting and appending with cat command? See, meant for overwriting, meant for appending or concatenating. What does it mean, ma? Single greater than is overwriting. Double greater than means appending or concatenating means at the end we are adding. Concatenating means at the end we are adding. I hope you got the clarity. If you are using touch command, but the file is already available, then what will happen? The content of the file won't be changed. The content of the file won't be changed, but last modified date and time will be updated. See, we'll try to apply. See what is the file is having. I think already file one is having data, right? Cat file one.
Yes, sir.
Now touch touch again file one. File one. Enter it. See LL. See file one. Date and time will be modified. Date and time. Now 6 o'clock. Date and time is modified or not? There it is showing where is the time. It is showing common. There see 2020. This is the latest. Compare to observe. 10 is there. 18 is there. What is that? 20. Time and date is modified or not? Date will not change. Day one means same date, but time only will modify. Time only will modify. That minutes here. That minutes here. Is it clear for you? Even you can check the content. Cat off. Again file one. See what they said? Even same file once again you create. No problem. Data will not change. Only what will change? Time and date will be changed. Time and date will be changed. After 2 days if I create it, that latest date, latest time will be added. ls hyphen lt modified time, the latest one will be visible on the top. Accept me. Right. Now I hope you got the clarity up to that. Now observe, if we are using that is overwrite. Yes. Use case they given. This is the yesterday files, today files. Here is shell script. They are going for related to current date. Script can recognize only current date files. Now view content of the files. Now yesterday I think I used like this, right, man? I used like this or not?
Yes, sir.
We can view content of the file by using the following commands. Even they may ask in interview, how can I view multiple ways? By using multiple commands. By using cat we can see. Now by using tag we can see, try to understand. Cat I am using cat. What is the file name? Tell. Now, first line will be last line will be first mark. TAC, file name, file one. Observe carefully. What I said, first line will be last. Simply reverse Which reverse? Not content reverse. The lines reverse. Page folding. Page folding means if you roll it, you may identify like that. Are you understanding? Rolling in the sense, last line will be first line will be last. Same order it will get it. Here only three lines are there, middle line as it is there. If four lines are there, what happens, ma? Last line will become one, last but will become two. After that three, the next one is four. Only tag. The reverse of cat. The reverse of cat. Got it or not? Tag. Now, REV. The content will be reverse. REV. What is the file name? What is the file name? File one. Check it. The content is reverse or not? Check it. Line 1, 2, OT, OWT, ENIL. That is the REV means reverse. REV means reverse. Good. Is it clear for you? What is the next one? Even yesterday we have seen head, tail. Once again I am applying head. This is the head of. Even we can do two ways, ma. First I'll show general way. head of file 1. Now see, this is file 1, cat file 1, pipe symbol, head. This is also workout. This is also workout. But which is easy? Applying command with the file name. That is very easy, right? Applying command with the file name. Here applying command with file name, redirecting to whom? Redirecting to whom? Head. One file command output is giving to another command. One file output, one command output is giving to another command is nothing but piping. Okay, good. Next, I think tail less more Got it or not? Tail will display last, that is bottom 10 lines. View content of the file by using cat command. Already we did. View. I said right. What I said? Cat less than. What is the file name? File 1. This is the original way. But in that scenario, cat file 1, there less than is optional. Less than is optional. Got it or not? You may ask me. Cat with greater than, is there any option? No option. You must provide. Then only it can recognize either override or maybe append. Either override or maybe append. I think these things everybody know it. You want to see the line numbers. That is important. Cat hyphen n file 1. Check it here. We can see line numbers also. We can see line numbers. How many lines are there? Hyphen n. There hyphen n represents line numbers. Hyphen n represents line numbers. I hope you got it. Here blank space is there. That too also visible. Even if you want to see blank, here is sudo vi file 1. I am creating blank lines. Insert, there blank line, there also blank line. Escape, shift colon X. Here is cat, even first file 1, that is showing cat with hyphen n. It will show including blank line. Blank line also having none. Here is, you want to remove, see cat hyphen b file 1.txt. That means removing blank line. Cat hyphen b. It is even giving or not giving? Not giving. See, only whatever the content is there, the content lines only display. The content lines only display. Cat hyphen b file.txt. Only wherever content is there, those only will count. Those generally we can count with blank or without blank. Generally we can count without blank. Without blank. We can view multiple files content at the time by using cat command. What does it mean? See cat, cp file 1, file 2, file 3 assume, or otherwise simply I go for file 2. Yes. Now cat file 1 space file 2. Check it. At a time we can view two file content. Two files see, line is added at the middle. One line. These three are belongs to file 1. These three are belongs to file 2. Same content I copied. Same content I copied. For this also you want to get lines. Yes, hyphen L. Total lines. The actual lines means only hyphen B. Hyphen B. The word cat derived from concatenation. Sima. The word concatenation is there. From that they given what? Cat command. They given cat. How many of you know the real meaning of concatenation? See, Windows key or MS Excel, Excel. In Excel, there we are using, I think the cell is visible. Here is Rama is there. Here Sita is there. Is equal to concatenation, concatenate of this one, comma, this one. Enter it. Is it concatenated or not? Rama Sita. You may ask me, sir, I want to concatenate, C-O-N-C-A with, I need space. First reference, comma, double quotation, space, double quotation, comma, second reference. Enter it. Check it. Rama Sita. You may ask me, I don't know formula I want to apply. This reference and double quotation space double quotation and this reference. This is also concatenation. This is also concatenation. Same rules for applying, but here we are applying formula. There without formula we are doing, which is easy. That's why Linux is very easy. I hope you got it. That they are saying various utilities of cat commands. I think we have seen all this, right? Cat input. Yeah. What they are saying is various utilities in the sense, okay, observe carefully. File 1 is there, cat file 1, some content is there, cat file 1. Now again greater than file 3. Now see cat of file 3. See, file 1 content is redirecting to file 3. Simply just like copy ma. Simply just like copy. Simply just like copy. It is redirecting file 1 content to where? File 3. That is also possible, they are saying. That is also possible. Same cat file 1.txt to file 2.txt. What does it mean? It will append it. Even check it. Cat file 1 double greater than file 3. Same up arrow, again file. Now check it cat of file 3. Cat of file. Observe 3 times content is there. Check it 3 times. By default one, first time, maybe second time double greater than, third time double greater than, third time double greater. Okay, even see SORT is sort. What is our file name? File 3. File 3, check it what happens. All the same, maybe line 1 is in the first, that means sorting. Line 3, see line is very common, is also very common. Here alphabetical order ma, all th, then tw. Are you understanding or not? This is the alphabetical order. These letters are very common, everything is common. I, here you observe, I, first letters I. After that, T in this way. Even you check it second TH. With the T, H is there. This is the ascending order. Ascending order. Even see, here is sort hyphen R in reverse order. Reverse order. Reverse order. Am I getting in reverse right? Line to, there is a line is. In that way, you can get it. You can get it. Clear or not? Clear or not? Now, in the same way, even tag. See, this is the reverse of cat. It is display file content in reverse order of lines. First line will become last line, and last line will become first line. It is vertical reversal. Vertical reversal. In interview, you need to say very simple answer. This is vertical reversal. Vertical reversal. I hope already applied, right? I hope already applied. Here is the tag. See, even TAC tag. That's why they given like that. They developed TAC tag of file 3. Vertical reversal. Vertical reversal. Just like a reversal. Just like a reverse. REV. I applied reverse command, right? Reverse. Reverse. General reverse. REV. REV. File 3. Content is reverse. Content is reverse. Content is reverse. Head command we know. Head command we know. head command by default, it will display top 10 lines of file 1. 10 is the default value of number of lines. Here head, my even see hyphen n30, no need to give hyphen 30, that's all. Hyphen 30, or see head hyphen 30. N means number of lines. N represents number of lines. That number we are providing. Directly we can give hyphen 30. Hyphen 30. You got. See head hyphen n minus 20. 20 lines will display. Here see in the file characters mark. Number of characters means number of bytes you want to display. Hyphen C represents number of bytes. You check it here. Here is the cat. What is the head, right? Head. What is the file name? What is the file name? File 3. Okay, total data. Head of file 3, I am giving C hyphen 3. Only first three lines. First three lines, check it. Line 2, then line is added at middle. Why it is showing only 2 here? Here blank line is there. That is also countable. That is also countable. Head hyphen C character. How many characters do you want? I want only 4 characters. I want only 4 characters. What is happening? What is happening? C hyphen C I applied, right? Hyphen C display first 10 bytes of file content. 10 bytes of file content. I'm using head only, right? Head is there observe they're displayed. Line. How many characters displayed? Only 4. Are displayed or not? 4 characters displayed. 4 characters displayed. I hope you understood. Now see tail command. We can use tail command to view few lines from bottom of the file. It is opposite to head command. Opposite to head command. Same rule. Tail hyphen n 30 minus 30 file 1.txt or tail hyphen n minus 30. Here it will display last 30 lines. It will display last 30 lines. See, tail hyphen n plus 4 file 1.txt. It will display from fourth line to last line. From fourth line to last line. What does it mean? Where you are start, where you want to start, where you want to start. For example, generally you can see here, I may remove blank lines, even ll or sudo va file 3. There I am removing blank lines first. Escape, shift colon. Even I can copy paste, insert. Now it will work here properly. Copy it, copying. Yes, right click, insert, paste it. Again paste it. Okay, some lines are there. Escape, shift colon, X. Or otherwise, what I may do very easily understand. Escape, A, insert, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, X, Y, Z, X, Y, G. Escape, shift colon, X. Good. Now our intention is just cat of file key. It will display all the lines. Even if you want to cat of hyphen n, it will display including there I entered. That's why it is taking blank line also. One blank line is there internally. One blank line is there. Now our intention is what is the command ma? Tail, right? Tail. Tail. Tail hyphen n. Maybe last five. Last five check it. 5, 5, that means minus 5. Minus 5. What is that? File 3. File. Check it. Last 5. Why it is showing only 4? According to data, this is also one character. This is also one line. This is also one line. Got it or not? Here I am trying to give, here is the plus 5. Plus 5. See, plus 5 means A, B, C, D. Got it, ma? Only how many we left? A, B, C, D. From fifth one to it is showing. Count it. A is 1, B is 2, C is 3, D is 4. Fifth is what? E. From E to up to end. From E to up to end. From which line to which? From which line to? From beginning to at middle to end. That is your wish. Where you start, where you want to start. Got it or not? Now good. Here, assume. Here, from E to you want to get only Oma. From E to O assume. From E to O assume. After getting this assume, I am going to give here. How many lines do you want? Tell me. Actually, middle, right? We started at fifth. Fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, tenth. How many are there? One, two, three, four, five, six. Up to J. Up to J. Here is head of, head of, or just head of, head of minus 6. Head of minus 6. See, from E to J, you got it or not? Even we are getting at middle also. Started at middle, even ending also at middle by using head and tail combination. By using head and tail combination. The advantage of tail is we can start at middle. The advantage of head is we can specify how many number of lines. My everybody understood or not? Any confusion? But some people may ask me, sir, here I need 2 lines. Here I need 2 lines. We need to apply up first time, again you go for second time, then only you will get it. You need to combine those things. That is not the right way. But you want to see at middle some lines. Those lines we can specify with the tail and head combination. Tail and head combination. Generally, what is the duty of tail? See, I am giving tail file 3. This is the general scenario. Last 10. Head of file 3 will show only first 10. First 10. You want to get at middle? You want to get at middle? You go with first tail, then you try to apply with head. You try to apply with head. Is there any doubt till now? Tail hyphen n plus 4 will display from fourth line to last line. Tail hyphen c 200. It will display 200 bytes from content from bottom of the file. Bottom of the file. Bottom of the from end to how many characters? 200 characters it will show. More command already we discussed. More means one way direction. It will display first page. It will display first page. Enter to view next line. Here space bar to view next page. Q to quit or exit. I said Q, right? There colon will get. You want to avoid colon, we can use it. We can use it. Now check it. I may go with more. I may go with more. See, MOR more file 3. Check it. All within the page I get it. Everything I am getting within the page only. Within the page only. That's why you are not viewing anything. Not viewing anything. You want to see that sudo vi, or I can go for see possible or not cat double greater than file 3, then Okay, cat file 3, now double greater than, again file 3. Now input file is output file. It is not able to allow. It is not allowing. It is not allowing. Only remedy is sudo vi file 3. There I am copy pasting insert. Copy it and paste it. Again paste it. We need to get multiple. Escape shift colon. Yes. Now what is command more right? More of file 3. Now check it. First page displayed. Space bar. Next page. Space bar. Next page. Only enter means next line. Only enter means next line. You want to exit from here? Just Q. You want to exit. Those things they provide. Here see, it will display first page. Enter to view next line. Space bar to view next page. Q means to quit or exit. More hyphen D file1.txt. Hyphen D option meant for providing details like details. I think it is viewing details or not. Is viewing details or not. More, just I am giving. See more something number. Q more hyphen D. Even see more 21%. Press a space to continue. Q to quit. Giving extra information. Extra information. Q, that means hyphen D represents details. Hyphen D represents details. Lesna, by using more command, we can view file content page by page only in forward direction. If we want to move either forward direction or backward direction, then we should go for less command. I think which is more powerful? Less is more powerful than more. Less is more powerful than more. D to go to. And here see D is there, B is there. Ma. To go to next page, D means downwards. B means backward. B means backward. I'm trying to apply. See, in place of more, I'm using less. Less, less. Check it. Here is D downward. B back. B, D downward, D downward, D downward. B backward, back. Content is changing or not? This is the way we can update. This is the way. Q means again quit. Q means again quit. This one already we have seen. See at middle content head of -7, head of -7. Here is and tail of -5, tail of minus maybe combination. First there I use a tail, then I use a head. Here there they use a head of -7 means head of -7 means up to 7 lines it is displayed. Tail of 5 means end to 5 line. 1, 2, 3, 4. From 3 to 7. From 3 to 7. See, from 21st line to 30th line. What they given? First total from 21st line to 30th line. See, try to understand here the logic. I want to display 21st to 30th. First they got all the 30 lines, head of 30. How many lines they want? 21st. Subtract here 20, 30 minus 21. How many lines? Anyone respond? 30 minus 21, 9, right?
9 lines.
Plus 1 add ma. Plus 1 add. Plus 1 means 9 plus 1, 10.
10.
That is head of 30 minus, that means tail of minus 10. Tail of minus 10. You got it or not? First, very simple logic ma. First we are getting from starting to ending. At middle, how many lines do you want? Where you want to start? Where you want to start? Maybe some number they given. See, we are taking the last number minus where you want to start plus 1. Last minus here starting number plus 1. That is the logic. Now we can apply here. Now we can apply here. Even see cat file 3. Now you know. Even see cat of hyphen n hyphen n. Now this is so many are there, right? Okay. Now tell me, Masanja, where you want to start, where you want to you want to view those lines of text only. Those lines of text only. We want to view those lines of text
From 10 to 20, sir.
from 10 to 20.
20.
Our logic is head of minus head of minus 20, head of minus 20, 5 symbol, tail of 20, 10, right? You said right? 30 minus
Head from,
20
yes, sir.
minus 10, 20 minus 10, 10 only, right?
Yes,
We'll
sir.
start with 11, 11. Head of 20, I'm applying. Head of minus 20, head of minus 20. Then there you need to give file name, right? What is the file name? File 3. 5 symbol, 5 symbol, TIL, minus, tail of minus 11, tail of minus 11. That's all. Even you want to give numbers here, numbers may not visible line numbers ma. Even you check it from we said from 10 to 20, right? 10th character where it is started. 10th J only, right? What is the 20th one? T. You check it. What is the 20th one? Got it or
20,
not?
sir.
Got it? This is the way we can get it. This is the way. Even we can try for line numbers, right? You want to get line numbers. You want to get line numbers. I need to get line numbers. Actual line. After getting this, it won't display those lines because of content is modified, right?
Yes,
Again,
sir.
it will get from 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. It won't view from that line to that line. It won't view from that line to that line. That is only the drawback here. I hope logic is very simple. Right? Have you understood? Head after that tail, but head value minus tail value plus 1. Try to remember that one. Head value minus tail value minus tail value. MV interconversion of normal files, hidden files. See, based on a requirement, we can convert normal files as hidden files and vice versa. What they did, this normal file is converting into a hidden file. Before, if you place dot mark, that is converting into a hidden file. Now check it. Now file, see, LL, file 3 is visible or not? File 3 is visible or not? MV, file 3 dot file 3 that's all. Now check it, ll file 3 is visible or not? File 3 is not visible, but how can you view ll hyphen a, then only it will visible. Again you want to convert, see file 3 dot is there or not? This dot file you want to convert mv dot file 3 to file 3. Again ll, it is visible for us, it is visible for us. I hope you got the clarity. Similarly, directories also. Normal directory, hidden directory. Hidden directory, normal directory. Normal directory. Copying of file. See, copy file 1 to file. Copy file 1 to file. See, if file 2 not available, then file 2 will be created and the content will be copied. I hope you got it. If file 2 is already available and contains some data, then that data will be overwrite with file1.txt. File 2 data will not available, ma'am. Before overwriting, if we want information, then we should go for hyphen I. Information. Hyphen I means information. It means, that means interactive means it is asking. Interactive means two-way communication. It is asking. Here, cp hyphen I file1.txt to file2.txt. I'll try like this. Here is cp file 3. This is file 4. File 4 already there, right? Yes. File 4 is having nothing. Okay. But it is asking overwrite file 4. Maybe data may be there. Yes. See, CP file 4, file 50. File 50 not there. See, it won't ask anything. Copy file 4 to file 50. Got it or not? Even file 4, file 60, this is hyphen I. Hyphen I. It is there is no file. That's why this is the new file. New file means won't ask. Existing file means then only ask. My even if without giving hyphen, I also asking right overwrite. Here you see again same thing I am applying. See CP overwrite file 60, overwrite file 60. Yes, that's all. I hope you got the clarity. CP means copy. CP means copy. See, if we want to verbose, verbose means display some output. Verbose means even single verbose is there, double verbose is there, triple verbose is there. Verbose means display something. Here is see, check it. CP hyphen V file 4 to file 50. See what happens. File 4 data is moving to file 15. Here double verbose also it will support. Check it here. See CP override file 15. Yes. Even triple verbose is also there, triple verbose. But here data is not displaying, but three types of verboses are there. We'll see in future scenarios. In future scenarios. But single verbose only clearly giving, but single, double, triple also same thing. Same thing in this scenario. See, copy file 1, file 2, file 3. Here is the invalid. Here is target cp target d.txt is not a directory. Must contain directory. If you want to copy multiple, see, then only it will apply. You want to copy. This is the thing you need to remember. This is the interview question also. Even cp file is there, file 3 is there, file 4 is also there. Now file 60 also there. But if I give file 120, it may not work. It won't work. The last one must be a directory. Must be a directory. Then only it will work. We need to create one directory. Then we need to paste it. Here is mkdir, maybe dir1. Now up arrow. Here is the dir1. You need to check it. CD dir1, CD dir1, or maybe cat. You want to see right what it is having. ls. After that, which directory? dir1, dir1, dir1. How many files are there? I want to see listing of files in directory 1. That is the meaning. Or otherwise, what we will do? CD dir1. We are entering into that. After entering, we need to give. After entering, we need to give ll. This is also okay. RLS. Both are same. Which is the best way? CD dot dot. CD dot dot. Wherever you require, you are specifying dir1. Even you can use slash also. Even you can use slash also. What slash represents? Direct. Slash represents direct. Moving on, renaming directories. MV, old name, new name. MD, old name, new name. Renaming of directories. Move directory 1, directory 2. Directory 1 will be renamed to directory 2. I hope you got. Moving of files from one directory to another directory. MV, directory 1 must give slash star must give slash star. That is mandatory. Move total directory to another directory. Move directory 1 to directory 2. If already directory 2 existing, it will move there. Directory 1 will be moved to directory 2. In case of overwriting, we want confirmation. Already there means confirmation. Move hyphen I, that means a.txt, d.txt, direct. Here A file, B file, we are moving to directory 1. I think, is it clear for you? Comparing files, tomorrow we will see these things. These are not that much of important, but you want to check it, we can compare. COMP, compare, difference, S difference, V difference, and COMM. COMM. This is the compare. What is the COMM? COMM. By using this command, we can compare data of two files. Compare file 1, file 2. CMP means it will compare byte by byte. Here it will compare characters within files. Okay, we'll see tomorrow one by one. Whatever I completed, whatever I finished, try to properly implement it. Remaining things also you check it. If even before me also, if you try it, some doubts you may get it. After explaining, you may understand clearly. You may understand. And now anybody, any doubt, ask me. First of all, you try to create AWS account. Why I am telling? See, if it is proper instance, I am not facing any difficulty. I am not facing any difficulty. Here every command will work. But if you go with, suppose if not having AWS account, then you go for labs. Labs. What I said here is labs play with KTS, right? Labs play with, here play with KTS labs. Login. They're asking GitHub, start. There take add new instance. Now, here also 90% commands will work. Alt enter. Again control here, clear the screen. Remaining story is very calm. Remaining story is very calm. It's incorrect. Like this you can work. If there is no instance, you go in this way. If already AWS account is there, try to create either Linux or Ubuntu. Go with in this way. That is good for us. I think Manjunath, are you there? Today Manjunath is there or not? I think some people are not joined today. Maybe they left morning session. I think only some of them. That means only 7 members are there. Actually, nearly up to 13 you may get it. So Manjunath, he left and again rejoined. Manjunath, Manjunath, am I audible? Any other? Kishore, any difficulty up to now?
Yes, sir. Yesterday I can difficult for the copy the multiple time files, sir.
Okay,
Yesterday.
now today is easy. Have you
Yes,
understood?
sir. Yes,
Okay,
sir.
good. Okay. Any other facing any issue? If you practice Madharani, are you practicing? Which one, ma? Which one you are practicing with labs or with account only?
With GitHub only, sir.
With GitHub only.
Yes, sir.
Even don't go with GitHub, ma. With like this, ma. Labs, KTS labs.
Okay, sir.
Manjunath, are you
Hello,
facing
sir.
any? Manjunath, tell me, Manjunath.
I'm not facing any difficulty, sir. I'm
Okay,
understanding, sir.
good. You are following.
I'm practicing, sir. Okay, sir.
Go through material. He tried multiple times. Clearly, they mentioned even they're having difficulty. Try to interact with me at middle also. Even not only at the time of class, at outer timings also, you may interact with me. I may call you. I may tell those things. Okay, don't worry.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. Shall I
Thank you, sir.
wind the session? Any other facing? I am not maybe calling some names, right? My feeling is they are well known. They are very well. Okay. I think Shravani, she is well known. Sanjay, no need to interact. Even Srinath Reddy, well known. That's what I'm not interacting those people. Okay. Thank you.